Hi everyone. In this lecture, we are going to see about the characteristics of C programming language. I hope you will understand the previous video, history of the C programming. So if any programming language, definitely it have some characteristics. Even if you take a human being, the human being has some characteristics. Based on the characteristics, we can say that like it will become in this category. So likewise, the C programming has some general characteristics. So let me discuss what are the characteristics of C programming language. The first one is a low level language support. Okay, the first one is a low level language support, which means that the C program is not a low level language. It also supports the low level language. I hope you know that what is the low level language, which means zeros and ones. Because of it supporting the low level language, the compiler will convert the high level programming language into the low level programming language. So that is what I have explained in the previous video. Human speaking languages are high level languages, whereas machine understand only zeros and ones, that is called as low level languages. So the compiler will basically convert the high level languages into a low level language. So C programming, which also supports the conversion, that's why we could say it is a low level language support. And one of the very essential thing, it is a structured programming language. You should not violate the conditions. As I earlier said, as of now we have discussed the structure as header part and body of the program. Okay, header part and body of the program. I hope you will remember what we discussed in the previous video. Am I right? So header section and body of the program, that will be separated by using the curly braces. So this is the structure. You will never violate this structure. You should not write the body of the program. Okay, body of the program and then curly braces header part. So it has some own structure. This structure is as like a human. So the head will be at the top and body will be at the bottom. So this is likewise. So the structure programming is header section as well as the body of the section. And as I said C program supports functions. So it has a extensive collection of functions, that everything will be stored in the library. So it have a lot of functions that C programming language has. And not only that, the very basic and unique quality is pointer. Okay, so pointer, which is represented by a symbol called asterisk, but later on videos you will understand that what is meant by pointer. So which is used to store the address. Okay, so there the pointer concepts is supported in the C program. Will have a enormous usage of pointer. Because of the pointer, we are supporting or we are writing the data structure. So like the structure of the data are stored either in a linked list or tree or graph. So because of the support of the pointer, we are using or we are having a very good application of data structure. And very important thing is also called as portability. So basically, if you write a program, the program is a high level language. Okay, the program is a high level language. You write the program, something you write the program, you are store it in the machine A, and you copy that program and you paste the program in B, and you can start executing in that machine. It is not necessary that where you have write the program in that same machine you have to compile the program. The portable, it can be very easy to move from a one place to, that portability is very easy. So that's why it supports program portability. And one more important concept is called as loose typing. Loosely typing or loose typing in the sense, like if you are writing some code, okay, and another block of code if you are writing. So if you make any changes in this code, mostly it will not affect the other part of the program. So that is what like loosely typing, because in future if you make any changes in the video, if you make any changes, not in the video, sorry, if you make any changes in the one part of the program, so possibly it should not affect the other part of the program. Basically the main purpose of this is to be reused, or if you make any changes it should not affect the another one. So that is called loose typing. So the C programming which also supports these characteristics. So in your interview, if they ask what is the characteristics, characteristics means some unique features present in the C programming language. So these are the some good characteristics which are used in the C programming language. I hope you will like this video. So if you really like this, please click the like button and share button, and don't forget to mention the or click the subscribe button. Thank you all.